Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys could tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing some urban riding today. These are always my favorite videos to film, but as you guys can probably see in the background, the Stark is white now. I ended up doing some maintenance on the bike last video and switched the color of it. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that out. Here we got all the old plastics. I still got to clean these up so I can put them back in the box so I can have them for the future when I want to make it red again. I'm pretty sure the bike's on like 40% right now or something, so we're going to have to charge the bike real quick before we go hit the streets. Yeah, it's on 43 right now. Let's get this all charged. This is how you charge the Stark. You just have to pop this out and then plug this into here, and then it should light up blue on the handlebar, and then you'll know that the bike is charging. You can switch it from fast charge and slow charge. I always just do the slow charge though, just so the battery life lasts a lot longer. I'm pretty sure Stark just came out with a new update today for the bike as well, so when I get back home from riding, I'll probably do that update. So now we just gotta wait for about an hour or an hour and a half for the bike to be fully charged, and then we will go hit all these urban spots. Alright guys, we got the bike charged. Let's start making our way over to this massive staircase. It's like a 50 stair set. It is so hot out today, it's like 90 degrees. Let's do a little shortcut. Alright guys, we made it to the first spot. We're at the 50 stair set. I've done this once before, but it's been like 10 months, so we'll see how this goes. Let's go down this. It's also so windy out today. Guys, I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be moving pretty soon. Not too far away from where I live right now, but I am going to be moving to a different town. So that's like a good thing. I'll be able to have a new spot to film videos at. Just hit this little jump. And I also wanted to bring up what's cool with the place that I'm moving to is there's a ton of forests around there, so it'll make for really good trail videos. If you guys are liking the third-person clips, let me know. I'll try to do that in more of my videos. See if there's any new tags under the bridge over here. Oh, there's a stump. I almost hit that. It is so peaceful out here, other than the fans screaming. Alright guys, now we're going to make our way over to the skate bowl. Get some clips there, hitting the bowl. Skirt! Oh yeah, I forgot this road's closed. Good thing we're on a dirt bike though, huh? Oh god, that cop might stop me. Yo, look at that. I've never seen one of those before. Ooh, don't want to go in the creek. Alright, let's make our way back towards the crib. Damn, I really need a car wash. My car's like damn near white on the side now. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, we're moving. We got all the stuff in the garage right now that we got to take out tomorrow. There's like no space in here now. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, go drop a follow. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. Both of the links will be in the description to make it easy on you guys to go find them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, drop a like. And if you're new, drop a sub. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.